And what's cracking, you guys? Welcome to the Mango Grove. My name is Krisha, and this is today's analysis on ICP. This chart, guys, it looks freaking amazing. I noticed that on the live stream, many of you actually brought ICP up to my attention, so we can already see a lot of Mongolians actually really liking this chart. And honestly, guys, I am proud of you. I'm also more proud of John Gunnery from the Mango Sprouts program and the Mango Seed program. He is a new member of the two programs, and he brought this one up to Sean's attention. And just this morning, Sean, showed me the chart. And I'm like, mother of God, this looks absolutely fantastic. What I'm seeing on ICP's chart, guys, is a breakout. All right. Now, this breakout has these crazy freaking targets, guys, that I see. The next target, the next most prevalent target that I see on ICP's chart, believe it or not, is a 4x from here. 4x. So today we are going to be dissecting this picture for you guys. And also, John Gunnery, I am very proud of you that you've actually found this chart and you brought it up to our attention. Just shows that, hey, you guys are now able to spot out some amazing trade setups without even needing us. Now you are bringing up these charts to our attention, which is freaking amazing. So now with this, guys, we're always going to start off with step number 1 of our process, which is what? It's always the Mango dashboard, right? Because the dashboard is going to help us understand on breakout trades like this one. You can see that ICP, it's technically broken out of a range, right? On breakout trades, for those of you who did not catch a bid on ICP, is there any sign of a pullback, maybe a minor pullback even, right? Even a minor pullback can really help in really settling your nerves and catching those amazing bid opportunities, bids that are going to be super easy for you to manage. So with that, let's get into the dashboard. Let's see what the dashboard is telling us. Of course, you guys can find this on app.mangoresearch.co. There are thousands and thousands and thousands of cryptos out there. How do you know which ones are even worth looking at? Well, the dashboard is going to help you with just that. It's going to help you essentially identify the coins that are actually moving to the upside. There's momentum, there's bullish momentum backing it up. All right, so now let's go ahead and filter out ICP from this list. ICP USDT. Oh, okay, there was like so many things I'm noticing. First of all, Bitcoin is already like trending like a monster. I think we can all agree with that, right? And there are very few coins that are actually outperforming Bitcoin right now. ICP is one of those coins, which is promising, super promising. Like, this is one of the coins that you want to be in, coins that are outperforming the mothership right now, the mothership being Bitcoin. Anyhow, ICP USDT is the chart that we're going to be looking at today, but of course ICP BTC, you also want to see that trending. Great stuff. All right, so ICP USDT 4-hour and 12-hour time frame long. In fact, if you manage to catch the trades on any of these two time frames, the 4-hour time frame, guys, flipped long 4 days ago. Like, it actually got you into the trade 4 days ago. You did not need me. You did not need any other analyst out there. All you had to do is default to the dashboard. Make sure you get your alerts set in right here. That way, if these trends start flipping long to neutral to short, it's gonna let you know in case you're out, in case you're not on your computer. You're gonna get an alert via email, and it's gonna tell you, hey, now's the time to be looking at ICP. Guess what? It just flipped long, right? Especially if you're someone following a chart, looking at a chart. So now this flipped long 4 days ago. If you manage to catch a trade on that, you're already up a good 40% on the trade. So technically, you've pretty much caught the entirety of that entire breakout move. All right, which is amazing. So 40% on the trade, 4-hour and 12-hour long. And notice, daily and 2-day, guys, we have a reset. These two trends were short before. Now they've turned neutral. And this is essentially what you want to see. What this is really telling you is that, hey, the bulls are going to start picking up momentum. They are building momentum right now. As soon as we see a cascade of that long trend on the daily time frame and then on the 2-day time frame, it is off to the races for ICP. Now, is there anything else that should give us pause, right? Is there anything else telling us, hey, we could potentially expect a minor pullback on the chart, perhaps giving those of you who actually missed your bid another opportunity on getting in a bid? Now, the only thing alluding to a pullback opportunity on ICP is the volatility profile right here, 99, 91, 91. Especially the 4-hour and the 12-hour time frame, 99 and 91, it's telling me that, hey, volatility is expanded to those high red numbers. And usually when I see volatility expansion get right up there, I'm saying that, hey, the bulls might very well start getting exhausted on those time frames. And when you see bullish exhaustion, that's when you can actually anticipate those pullback opportunities. Okay, so that's the only thing right now telling us to watch out for a pullback. Now, this might be a minor pullback. This might be a moderate pullback. Let's get into the chart to figure out what kind of pullback we can expect and on to what level. So right now, guys, honestly, right off the bat, this is a bull flag breakout. Okay, in fact, it's not just a bull flag breakout. There's a much larger breakout that's happened. The bull flag is just one part of a much larger pattern. All right, for those of you who do not spot the bull flag already, this is it right here. It's an ascending triangle bull flag. Guys, an ascending triangle on a structural standpoint is already bloody bullish. And then on top of that, there is a bull flag. Okay, so there's a lot going on for the ICP bulls right now. So now before I bring that bigger pattern to your attention, as well as that next 4x target to the upside, let's go ahead and first plot out our major region of resistance overhead just based on historic price action, okay, on ICP. And honestly, I think this is it right here. Okay, it's more like a zone. For those of you in the Mango Sprouts program, I'm going to urge you guys to start practicing the techniques that I taught you in terms of really drawing out those important SNR regions. Okay, so now this is ICP zone right here. And think about it, okay? We just opened a brand new weekly candle. All right, so now that previous one actually closed within a range of, resistance that we've been holding since April 2022. In fact, that range of resistance, it comes in from $14.70 going all the way up to $15.62. Guys, we had been holding it as resistance for what? Since December of 2023. December, guys. We're getting into April right now. So 3 months of just using it as overhead resistance. Every attempt of taking it out was rejected by the bears. Rejection until we got this close. And not just that, not only do we get a close over 1470, but now we're actually seeing continuation. So as far as a pullback opportunity is concerned, honestly, I would first look for any sort of weakness. This is not weak. You gotta call a spade, eh? But if we do start seeing weakness today, okay, if the weakness really has to enter this chart, minor weakness, it's going to happen today. And I believe that the next bid opportunity, guys, just gun for the zone. Like handling any position off of this zone is going to be, it's going to be very easy, okay? Take note of the numbers, please. $15.62 going all the way down to $14.70. The bulls are completely in control. This is a breakout on the 4-hour time frame, on the daily time frame, on the weekly time frame. We have breakouts across the board, okay? And not just that, if I take you on over to the weekly time frame, I don't see any resistance up until this region right here, which is only $19.16. Okay, that is minor, and that's minor freaking resistance overhead, right? If we get up there and we start closing, we're shooting far above $19.16. But from our prices at right now to $19.16, that's going to be a good another 14% to the upside. But yeah, right now, if you start seeing weakness on your lower time frames, 4-hour time frame, that's when you can look for a pullback opportunity, perhaps down to $15.65. All right, but the grand scheme on ICP is, well, we also have another much bigger pattern that's been triggered here along with the bull flag. Okay, and this is it. If you look at ICP, guys, we have actually triggered a cup and handle formation, right? This is ICP's reversal formation, and not only have we triggered the cup and handle formation, if I go ahead and put on my Ichimoku cloud, we've also now triggered an edge-to-edge potential trade setup on the Ichimoku cloud, with the next target only coming in at $45. Now that's just one interim target. From our prices at right now to $45. That's going to be a good 166% just on that edge-to-edge trade on the Ichimoku cloud, right? But now that's just the first major target. The next major 4x target to the upside is actually hinged on the measured move of this cup and handle-like formation. Right? If I go ahead, take the cup and handle, and by the way, guys, the cup and handle formation is activated. Okay, like we actually have seen a breakout on this most recent weekly open. This is a breakout trade for ICP. Now, if I have to go ahead and take the measured move, this cup and handle like formation, and plot it on the break, where's this going to take ICP up to? Guys, $90. Okay, so I would actually look at this entire, and notice this confluence there as well. We actually have historic resistance there at around $90. Okay, so you can actually draw out another zone for yourself, a zone of resistance right there. All right, and that has confluence with the measured move of the cup and handle like formation, and these have really good playthrough especially getting into the next phase of the bull run, right? And if I have to go ahead and take that move, what is that move from where prices at right now, from the breakout all the way up to $90? That's a good 462% to the upside. 462% to the upside for ICP. All right, so your first major target only comes in at $44. That's the edge on the cloud. The next major target only comes in at $90. All right, so ICP, guys, looking good. I believe the breakouts are in. Volatility, however, on the dashboard is telling you that you might be able to score a better bid on those lower time frames. Honestly, though, any bid that I see on the lower time frames, if we do see a pullback, I believe it's going to be a minor pullback for ICP. All right, the best bid that one that's going to be easy to manage is going to be a bid, of course, at around $15.65. Alrighty, but this is the rundown on ICP. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like. If there's any other coin that you guys want me to cover, make sure to mention in the comment section below. And also, once again, major props to John Gunnery for actually finding this one. We're very proud of our latest sproutlings and seedlings who've been actually putting their education to use and actually finding these trade setups without actually needing us. And let me tell you something, that's a very liberating feeling, knowing how to identify these trade setups, knowing when to jump in, knowing when to jump out. Trust me, guys, a lot of people, you're going to find a lot of analysts this market who are going to tell you that, hey, check out this coin, check out that coin, jump into this coin, jump into that coin, but they're never going to tell you as to when to get out. You're all going to make money in this bull run. Question is, do you know how to keep that money? Because if you do not know how to keep that money, it doesn't matter. Everything that you do right now, every trade that you catch right now is going to be moot. Which is why, guys, I'm always going to guide you into the Mango Seed program or the Mango Sprouts program first before I tell you to jump into any of the indicators. Okay, so check out the programs before getting into the indicator. I promise you, it's going to pay dividends, not just now. It's going to pay dividends in this bull market and the bear market, as well as the next few cycles to come, irrespective of which asset class you are trading. All right, so that's just my one advice to you guys. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like. I'll now see you in the next one. With this, trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao, you guys.